3 o'r gloch. Croeso. Croeso nôl. Croeso I 10 am 3. Helen dwi. A diolch I Eiri. Mae Eiri yn helpu heddi. A diolch yn fawr I Eirian. Eirian, of course, was with you last week. So with Eirian, we did lessons 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, which leaves us today with Gwers 19. Dydd Llun. Dwi yn Llun-Gwener a, looking out the window, dyw hi ddim yn braf. Dyw hi ddim yn bwrw glaw, not yet anyway, but dyw hi ddim yn braf. Okay, so let's do a recap with what you did last week with Eirian. And it is mainly 2 things. The phrase, dwi'n dod o, or in North Wales, dwi'n dwad o. Now, Helen dwi'n dod o Llun-Gwener. Mae dad yn dod o Llun-Gwener. As you know, if you remember, I'm married to Danny, so I was talking about him. I'd say, mae Danny yn dod o Fedwas, Caerphilly. So, mae Danny a fi yn dod o Gymru. Dyn ni'n dod o Gymru. I know I can't hear you, but you tell me, you answer my question, or maybe type it for me. O ble dych chi'n dod? Da iawn. Okay, so the other phrase you did with Eirian was mynd I. Now, we'd already done some mynd i'r phrases. Let's see how many you can remember. To go to bed. Mynd i'r gwely. To go to work. Mynd i'r gwaith. To go to town. Mynd i'r dre. To go to the cinema. Mynd i'r cinema. To go to the shop. Mynd i'r shop. To go to the bank. Mynd i'r bank. Da iawn. So, with Eirian, we did the mynd I and place name. So, os, if. Os dwi'n gweithio, dwi'n mynd I Gaerdydd. Dwi'n mynd I Gaerdydd yn y car. Ond dwi ddim yn gweithio nawr. Wel, dwi'n gweithio yn y cartre. Dwi ddim yn mynd i'r gwaith. Dwi ddim yn mynd I Gaerdydd. Now, to build on that, mynd I is also really, really useful for saying things you're going to be doing. So, let's revise some vocabulary. Okay, to shop, shopper. To iron, smwddio. To read, darllen. To watch, gwylio. To drive, gyrru. To eat, bita. Okay, so let's put those into the mynd I phrases and saying things you're going to do. So, you try, because it's easy. I'm going shopping. Dwi'n mynd I shopper. I'm going to iron. Dwi'n mynd I smwddio. Now, with the next ones, try and remember that letter change you did last week with Eirian. If you don't get it, it's not the end of the world. The most important thing is you say dwi'n mynd I. But let's try. Okay, I'm going to learn Welsh. Dwi'n mynd I ddysgu Cymraeg. I'm going to read. Dwi'n mynd I ddarllen. I'm going to watch. Dwi'n mynd I wylio. I'm going to watch cyw. Dwi'n mynd I wylio cyw. I'm going to watch Pobl-y-Cwm. Dwi'n mynd I wylio Pobl-y-Cwm. I'm going to drive. Dwi'n mynd I yrru. I'm going to drive to town. Dwi'n mynd I yrru i'r dre. Da iawn. That G drops. And one more. Bita. I'm going to eat. Dwi'n mynd I fita. I'm going to eat a pizza. Dwi'n mynd I fita pizza. Well, fi. Dwi'n mynd fita toad in the hole. Da iawn. Okay, da iawn. So let's do a recap last week. Now, the next things we're going to be learning are how to tell people to do this. Now, unless we're self-isolating on our own, we're probably telling other people to do quite a lot of things. So, let's just have a look at how we do this, and then we'll do some meaningful expressions, either today or tomorrow. But let's look at the mechanics. Okay, now then, listen. Gyrru, dysgu, bita. They all end with a single vowel. Gyrru, dysgu, bita. And so to form the command when we're speaking to one person, the familiar team, all we do is drop the final vowel and add an a, which is different to Saesneg to English, because in English the command is exactly the same as the verb drive. Yeah, it's different in Welsh. So gyrru would become gyra. Very polite, I know, but just to practice the mechanics, yeah? So drive. Gyra. So if dysgu is to learn, you try it. What would be learn? Dysga. And if bita is to eat, eat. Bita, exactly the same, because bita happens to end in an a. Right, listen to the next section. Gwylio, gweithio, smwddo, dawnsio. That's the wrong point. Dawnsio. So, exactly the same. We chop off the final vowel. So, gwylio, listen. Gwylia. A chi? Try. Gwylia. So, gweithio is to work. Work. Gweithia. Smwddo. Iron. Smwddia. Dawnsio. Dawnsio. Now I am the real Joe Wicks. Dawnsio. Da iawn. Now then, occasionally our verbs don't end at all, do they? In a vowel, something like darllen. And then we'd say darllena. Darllena. Just to finish today, I'm going to teach you 2 words. So we'll do a little exercise. Codi. Codi. Codi means to get up. Codi. Yeah, codi. Can also mean to pick up, so it's really hard. Codi. Yeah. Eistedd is to sit. Eistedd. Codi, eistedd. Codi, eistedd. So commands, coda, eistedda. Coda, eistedda. Okay, I know I can't see you, so I can't tell if you're cheating, but if it's safe and you're able to do so, follow my commands. If you can, just lift an arm. Okay. Coda, eistedda. Coda, eistedda. Eistedda. Coda, eistedda. So now that you're all comfortably, that's the end of today's lesson. Diolch yn fawr. Thanks for joining me. Remember, you can see our resources online at llun-Welsh.cymru, and tomorrow we learn some meaningful commands you can use yn y cartref. Diolch yn fawr. Hwyl.